So in these tutorial sessions, we're going to look into a drawing. Okay, so drawings is typically whereby you are going to put three different views into a single page, and in these views, you may have dimensions. Okay, to show the 3D objects. Okay, to start with, we go to the create a new models, and then we select drawing. From this, we're not going to use a default template. Okay, so uncheck this, and then you can write a file name. Let's say this drawing file name, we call it as water bottle drawing, and then click OK. One. Now in this, what we can see here, it asks you to you can change the orientations of the paper. You want to show as portrait, or you want to show as a landscape. So in our case, we're going to use a portrait orientations. And you also has options to choose the file, the paper size, okay, A4 paper size, or you can choose a C, a D, and so on. Okay, just click OK. And then it will pop up a new window. This is a drawing windows. Okay, so in this drawing window, if you look onto the left-hand side, you have this model tree. This model tree is whereby you have this assemble file consists of water bottle and the water cap, which is part C and part D, right? Okay, now we want to put the 3D object onto this paper here in this drawings. So what we need to do is you go to this layout here. You can see this have a general view. Click on it, and then you click OK, and you push, and then you're going to locate your mouse to the location where you want to put the models. Let's say it's here. You click OK. Then the water bottles assembles water view is here. Now you have the options to how you would like to press the water bottle view. Either it's front side, bottoms, left, right, and so on. So here we're going to choose front. So that means you're going to put in these locations whereby your water bottle is looking from the front side. Okay, and then you click OK. Now, so we have the first front view here. So in this front view, typically in the 3D drawing, we are not going to present this as a solid model. Okay, so what we're going to do is that we're going to present this in terms of wireframe mode. So wireframe mode is you can go to here, display style, you're going to change it to wireframe. Okay, you're going to change to wireframes. After you change to wireframe, it may take some time to update this. Okay, now this solid model is changed into a wireframe. Now in this case, what we can see here, we have one front view here. Okay, we have this one front view. So the next thing is that we need to prepare two different views, whether it's top view or bottom views or side view and so on. So the additional view can be created by clicking what we call as this projection view here. You click on this projection views, and then you drag over here. This will be your side view. Okay, click on it. This is your side view because there are symmetry water here, so it look like the same. And then you click again to make the bottom view. This water bottle view here, the front view, side view, as well as the bottom view over here. Okay, now you have this view. So the next thing we would like to do is that we like to put some dimensions on this water bottle, so that when people look at your drawing, they know what is the dimensions. Okay, what is the height of the water bottle. Now to do this, what we need to do is we're going to use the annotations tools here. So you click on these annotations, and then now what you can see here, this tool is changed to the annotations tools. Go and click on these dimensions, And now you can locate your mouse pointer to the length of the water bottles that you want to do annotations. Okay, left click, and then you hold your control key and left click again, and you drag. Now this is the length between these two vertical lines. If you satisfy, then you click the middle mouse button. Then this is 94. Okay, right? So you want to you can repeat this. You can repeat this again. You click on here. When this line is highlighted, that means you are going to annotate the dimensions of this vertical line. Click on this, then the dimension is 129.43. You satisfy, then you click middle mouse buttons once. Then this will be updated. Okay, so you can also do the rest of these different view here. For example, you can do the annotations for this the radius of this water bottle cap. Click on here. If satisfied, this give you a radius of 45, and then click over here, give you the radius of 50. Okay, so in your homework you have to do this. Okay, of course, what you can do is that you don't want to put all the dimension in a single view. You can separate the dimensions into a different view. Okay, so if this information have is putting in this front view, then the next one on this side view you can do a different dimensions. Okay, you can give a different dimensions. Yeah, so this is about the drawing. Okay, about the drawing. Right. So now if you're satisfied with this, okay, put all the annotations about the dimensions of your 3D drawing. So what you can do next is that you want to, let's say you want to export it into a PDF file versions, right? Then you go to this file, and then you go to Save As. What you can see, this is called as Quick Export. Click on it, you can export a PDF file. Okay. Now immediately we generate a PDF for this. Okay, you can see the dimensions of the water bottles and the dimensions of the water bottle caps. Okay, right. So in your homework, when you do the submissions, you may have to submit the drawings of your 3D models. Okay, so this is introductory for this ProE software. Okay. So you can find a lot of more informative informations, okay, online or even through the PTC's website. So anyway, if you have any questions, you can always ask me. Okay, so I will see you in the tutorial sessions. Okay, that's all. Thank you.